Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how easy it is to start your career in cruise hospitality with Ship Ashore. Ship Ashore is basically a specialized training program for cruise hospitality equipped with all the skills you'll need to launch your career on board with the cruise lines. And this is where your charter course journey begins, with step 1 being enrolling in the program. And Ship Ashore makes it simple to take that first step towards your dream job. Enrolling is straightforward. With 2 payment options, you can either pay up front or split the payment within 30 days if that's easier. Once you're enrolled, you're set to start your journey. This is where you learn all the ropes. Ship Ashore's curriculum covers everything you need on board, from hotel department to food and beverage department. You can just select between 2 options, either complete all 4 modules in a 5-day course or finish them over 4 weeks with the required weekly attendance. You will get hands-on experience with real-world simulations. Ship Ashore prepares you for all the unique challenges of life on board, so you're ready from day one. After you complete the course, you'll go through an in-house pre-screen interview with Ship Ashore staff, and they'll make sure you are fully prepared for the real cruise line interviews. Ship Ashore's exposure and experience with top cruise lines give you an edge in job placements. They will help you apply to multiple cruise companies, mainly headquartered in the United States, putting you on a clear path to career success. When it's time to begin your career, Ship Ashore is there to help with all the essentials. From visa applications to Siemens Book and STCW training and even medicals, they make sure you're covered every step of the way. With expert-led training, hands-on experience, and a proven track record of their trainees excelling in their onboard careers, Ship Ashore has everything you need to thrive in cruise hospitality. Stay on the course, enroll today, and start your journey.